Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, November 17. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, has confirmed indicators from other institutions pointing to continued strengthening in the Jamaican economy. PIOJ Director General Dr. Wayne Henry says real gross domestic product is estimated to have increased by 2.2% in the July to September 2016 quarter, the strongest single quarter in 9 years. It was pushed mainly by a 28% growth in agriculture, forestry, and fishing.
Facilitated by 1. Improved weather conditions relative to the corresponding quarter of 2015. 2. Improved domestic demand supported by higher employment levels and increased price competitiveness. And 3. Improved productivity as indicated by a 22.1% increase in the hectares of domestic crops reaped, while output increased by 43%.
Overall real value added in the goods producing industry grew by 6.7%, while the services industry expanded by 0.8%. The Director General says this took place against the background of a quarterly inflation rate of 1.4%, a fiscal deficit of $10.4 billion, and real depreciation of the exchange rate. The PIOJ, meanwhile, is reporting that labor figures for July 2016 reveal the highest level of employment ever for a single month in Jamaica's history.
The total number of persons employed as at July 2016 stood at 1,186,900 persons, an increase of 39,400 persons relative to July 2015, and represents the highest employment level ever recorded for a single month.
The unemployment rate for July was 12.9%, the lowest quarterly rate recorded since October 2011. Chairman of the Port Authority of Jamaica, Professor Gordon Shirley, says the agency is fast-tracking plans to upgrade the island's major cruise shipping towns. He was speaking with JIS News at the commissioning of the LNG plant at the Bogue Power Station in St. James on the weekend.
The mandate of the Port Authority, as Dr. Chang frequently reminds us, is to develop the port infrastructure in the country in a manner that supports economic growth and development.
He points out that Phase 1 of the upgrading of the fishing village in Ocho Rios is almost complete. Meanwhile, advanced discussions are ongoing to commence work on the neighboring Reynolds Pier, and beautification and infrastructural work in Falmouth is to start soon. The National Education Trust, NET, is coordinating the efforts of the Jamaica Diaspora Education Task Force to raise $2 million. Money raised in the Pledge to Build campaign is for capital improvement of early childhood and primary schools across the island. The drive was launched on November 1 and will last until January 31, 2017. It takes the form of a competition in which Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora are invited to make monetary contributions to a school of their choice in their respective parish.
We have, through rigorous evaluation, site visits, selected one school per parish, and they're all on the platform isupportjamaica.com. If you go on, look for Pledge to Build, and right there you'll have all 14 projects that come up, and we really encouraging persons to donate.
The parish that raises the most money will receive funds to support the infrastructure development for a second school. The long-term objective of Pledge to Build is to develop a comprehensive 5-year resource-raising plan to galvanize the Jamaican diaspora towards education development in Jamaica. And finally, Professor Errol Morrison has been awarded the 2016 National Medal for Science and Technology for his contribution to research and development in diabetes. The presentation was made by Science and Technology Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley at yesterday's award ceremony to honor recipients in the areas of science, technology, and innovations. Dr. Henry Lowe was awarded the 2016 Innovator of the Year Award, while Dr. Denise Daly got the Scientific Research Council Young Scientist Award. In his remarks, Minister Wheatley acknowledged the awardees' contribution to national development.
It is very important that we celebrate the achievements of our people, especially in science, technology, and innovation, as it holds tremendous possibilities for the sustainable development of this country. As an administration, we are cognizant of the transformative role played by the advancements in science, technology, and innovation. And we are in full support of the activities in this regard.
Other awards were presented in the areas of youth innovation, engineering, agriculture, education, energy, cybersecurity, environment, and health. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.